In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to quickly create or pin the recycle bin to taskbar. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you need to navigate here at the desktop, make a right click and then go with new and please proceed to shortcut. Now, before you proceed, you need to copy the path that I have given at the YouTube description. Once you have copied it, make a right click here, paste the recycle bin path. It is percentage system root percentage backward slash explorer.exe space shell colon recycle bin folder. Click on next. Once done, please rename it into recycle bin. Then click on finished and you'd be able to create a recycle bin shortcut. So we need to change the icon since we might be confused about the recycle bin with the file explorer. So by that you need to make a right click again. This time please proceed to properties and here you can see change icon, click on it and you need to paste the second path that I have pasted or that I have included at the YouTube description. So copy it, Control C to copy and then hit the backspace key to delete it, make a right click and click on paste, then click on OK. Once done, you'd be able to see a list of icons here. You need to find for the recycle bin icon. Okay. So once you find that, you need to click on OK button, click on apply and then click on OK. And there you have that. You have just successfully changed the icon. So in order to pin it to the taskbar, which is the target of this video, just make a right click, go with show more options. And from that, wait until you can see this list of the option. Please proceed to pin to taskbar. And there you have that. You have just successfully pinned the recycle bin to your Windows 11 taskbar. So if you would open it, you would be able to see all of the files that are being placed here at the recycle bin where you can restore it or where you can delete it permanently. So that's it. Close this window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now, thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.